What's up? So this is the top triple for the CB750 Hondamatic. As you can see right here is what used to be the mounts for the handlebars. I did grind them down and reshape them in a strategic way for something that I was planning on doing. However, I've decided that I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to show you today in the video how to basically convert these top triple tree if you're using clip-on handlebars. A way that you can modify this to look a lot more aesthetically pleasing and get rid of these top mounts. Also, as a secondary bonus, I will be using my polisher for the first time. So this isn't the ideal, I guess, piece to start for polishing. I don't imagine I'll probably be able to get a real good finish on my polishing wheel with this in all places, just because there's lots of crevices and small areas to get to, and but I should at least get the hang of it. So there will be a little bit of a learning curve for me, and in the video I'll show you a little bit about the things that I learned in the process. So modifying this triple tree and getting it polished up.
What's up, all you wonderful people?
The worst motorcycle ever made.
Alicia in the chat. Appreciate
Everyone in line.
Here we go. Oh!
There you go.
All right.
So I have just a standard DeWalt bench grinder here, and what I did was I bought a polishing kit that matches the size of bench grinder. Now, ideally what you want to do is you want to have something with, I guess, variable speed. But I'm on a little bit of a budget, so I picked this guy up and bought a polishing kit. So here's the old disc, and or here's the old grind wheel. And here's pretty much what comes in the kit. You got a few different polishing wheels. You have the adapter. You have a bunch of different polishing compounds, and a handy guide, especially if you're new to polishing. A handy guide that's going to walk you through what wheels do what and what polishes you want to use on what metals, from coarse down to fine, hard to soft. So I'm going to be definitely taking a look at this as it's my first time using one of these polishing wheels. So wish me luck. First thing I'm going to be doing real quick is just basically removing the bulk of this material on these two mounts here and getting it semi-close to flush. Alright, so now that I got the bulk of the risers cut off, right now I'm going to take my grinder with the sanding wheel, and I'm going to just level them off a little bit, make them a little bit more even, and then I'm going to finish up the details with a Dremel. What's up? So we got this pretty much down as far as I can. We have a live stream tonight, so one of the things I'm going to be talking about is polishing. So even though it's not quite taken down as far as I would personally like, I'm going to throw it on the polishing wheel, and we're going to be seeing how this goes. So I've never used this before, so basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be following this polishing metal polishing guide, safety first. So and pretty much says I'm going to be using the wheel I have on right now, and I'll be using the black compound, which is the first cutting for soft metals. So wish me luck. I've never even turned this thing on before, so hopefully I don't die.
The video that I recorded only has me using the rough polish wheel. I actually went later, polished up using these two wheels and the two other compounds to get a little bit of a shinier polish on it. I haven't done the final polish on this, mostly because there are a lot of areas like down in here and around in the crevices where you really can't get to on a polishing wheel. So I have to get some other accessories for my drill and whatnot to finish up the polishing on that. Apologize for the garage, got quite a bit of stuff going on. So today's video is just going to show you how I took the top triple tree from the CB750 Hondamatic Cafe build that I'm doing and got it to where it is now. Minus in the video I I was doing a live stream that day, so I didn't have time to do all the, I stopped a little bit short. I ended up going back and using these two polishing wheels also, along with the other compounds, to get, the brighter, shinier finish on it. It gives you an opportunity to make a really cool part from the existing triple tree. So you're not gonna have to spend money to buy something else smooth and clean. This is actually, in my opinion, looking a lot better than a lot of the plain aftermarket top triple trees. So yeah, here it is. Enjoy.
Pretty.
I can't whistle very well. Worst whistler. Ooh, shiny. Shing, 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 shing.
Leave a comment, leave a like, hit the bell, subscribe, follow us on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. I appreciate everyone for watching the video, and we'll see you soon.